Papua New Guinea's Prime Minister James Marape has stressed that Kumul Petroleum Holdings Limited, KPHL, the nation's state-owned oil and gas company, is a national asset held in trust for all citizens, not for individuals, tribes, or provinces.
Commissioner Manning has been informed that if you cannot deliver on this, if Wabusong can go, then you too will go. Get into position in many, take ownership of many towns, work with the provincial government, work with the local leadership, place yourself in that strategic position to have outreach to the four western end of the Highlands province. So an operation based into Mendi, to be headquartered in Mendi, to stay there semi-permanently, leading up to the elections 2027 and beyond, and to have an outreach to Denga province, back to Western Highlands, to Hela province, and to make sure that police is working well, court system is working well, order is maintained, order is preserved, and if you one tribe, one person, one district get in the way of this one, I've had enough of this nonsense. The people of Semi, I mean the Betright Limi, I mean the private something Limi, and James Marape fears no one. I fear no one. I'm here to stay. Clearing Road, you know Clearing Road, but we can Clearing Road. That is a project of national significance, cannot be sabotaged or hidden by one or two people crying over a plate of milk. Blocking a national significant highway, we'll make sure that the road is open and operating. And I've had the opportunity to talk to Mr. Wabusong. He released a press statement yesterday that he condoned any roadblocks whatsoever using his name. And today he reconfirmed to me in our personal meeting before I stepped to this press. Mr. Wabusong is from educated in the Hela side. I have personal relationship and nothing against him. I've asked him this afternoon, go and clear your name. The country is bigger than you and me. The company, our national petroleum company is bigger than you and me. Santos will be informed. ExxonMobil has been informed. Barrick has been informed. And a tax credit envelope will be mobilized. We're opening access to Hela from Ligam to Magarima, to ensure semi-trailers are possible in the stretch of road at the earliest and not just depend on the Nipa highway. We're also working to make sure that Magarima to Mendi bypass is able to be used by bigger trucks and not just small trucks today.